Welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's start coding your very first web page using HTML. Open VS Code and create a new file named index.html. Now type this basic HTML structure. I'll explain each part. DOCTYPE HTML tag tells the browser it's HTML5. HTML tag wraps your whole content. Head tag holds meta info like the title. Body tag contains what users see. Save the file and open it in your browser. Boom, your first web page is live. In the next video, we'll style this with CS. Subscribe to keep learning.